All right, guys. 2014 Jeep Wrangler. This is V6. We got a massive oil leak underneath the vehicle. Check that out. All that down there. If you got a Dodge, Chrysler, you most likely got a massive leak, and it's all coming from the oil cooler. It's down there, so I'm gonna take out the whole intake. The leakage is all in there, and then it's going back in the engine and going everywhere. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out this connector, we're gonna take out everything. This intake is gonna come off, the pipes are gonna come off, the 10mm is gonna come off. But we got a kit here. This is the kit that's going in. So once I have it all removed, I will show you guys. The part number on this is Doorman 926959. okay, it could be different for your vehicle, but check it out. It's gonna come with some instructions. Okay, I'm gonna put this away. So this is the cooler. This is the whole housing right here. Let me get this out. So this is the housing here, and this is oil filter housing, and this is the cooler that's gonna go on top of it. It comes with new bolts, comes with a couple of plugs, two sensors gonna go in the back, coolant line, whole bunch of seal, the cap that goes up here, and then we have a filter in here and a whole bunch of bolts. So all this is about $300 to $400. This is a conversion kit from plastic to metal. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the intake, and then I'm gonna show you guys once we install this, because I do have a video on just removing the intake. So I'm working on this, taking off the bolts all around that oil cooler, and once I have it cleaned off and everything, the new one goes in. Did take out one of the sensors, or they all disconnected back there, but it's ready to go. And once I have it all out, I will show you guys. Okay, so here's a small update. What we're gonna do is, so I cleaned in there everything. Make sure you blow air into where the bolts are going into, because the liquid will get in there and it will not compress. Okay, so I installed everything onto this. So there's a couple of seals you need to be aware of. Okay, so it's telling the O-ring here, make sure you get a seal here, seal here, seal here. They all like the same. They're different sizes, but only these, just you'll figure it out. But over here there's a blue one and there's a black one. If your car is under 22, year 22, it'll tell you here, you know, over here, 22 plus models use the blue O-ring here. All the rest use regular, the black one. So I gotta put the cooler back on top of this. So this seal, put a little bit of oil on this so it can compress down on it. I'm gonna install all this together, and then I'll take it onto the vehicle, and then I'll finish out the job. So anyways, make sure you clean in this. I use a turkey baster, this guy right here, to suck oil. There's a lot of oil, so you can see all over the floor. There was a lot of oil everywhere. Those bores was just full. And after that, make sure you flush your antifreeze and your engine oil. Everything's gonna be flushed out. And I did drain the antifreeze before this, but make sure you do it all. Anyways, stay tuned once it's done. Guys, so I got this baby in. I just want to show everybody before we end the video. So putting it back together is just a reverse procedure. We got the cooler in, all the bolts are tight, the sensors are in, coolant pipe is in. I blew air in each one of these, and I'm gonna clean this up. Put the lower intake and then the upper intake in, and this should be all good to go. So anyways, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Make sure you put oil, new oil, drain the oil, put new oil in it, new antifreeze, and make sure you use this bleeder valve to bleed air. I got my funnel there that's gotta come out. But other than that, we got everything in there. Everything is connected. Again, one more time, I got cleaning up too. I got a little piece in there. I'm gonna have to take all that out. So there it is. Should have been done this to begin, but the seals is what gives up in this. Anyways, thank you for watching. Okay, there it is. We got this baby running, and I just want to show you guys. There's some new filter housing in there, metal. So that's it, guys. Make sure you check your oil. Make sure you bleed the antifreeze, top of the antifreeze. Look underneath for any leaks. It might drip for a few days. Give it some time and get it under wash, I guess. Other than that, just give it some days, and it should just clear out. Other than that, you can't do much. Don't spray nothing, okay? If you spray something on these electrical wires, especially parts cleaner, you might short circuit and blow the computers, all kinds of stuff. So just give it some time. Thank you for watching this video. So again, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, they're all the same thing. Common issue, massive leak over time. Let's go take a look at the old filter housing. It's sitting over there in the trash. So here it is. So as you can see, these seals are kind of crushed up, and that would cause a leak. The housing itself would crack here and there, but other than that, this thing was submerged. And thank you for watching.